Students, once again welcome back to Knowledge Database. So today we are going to discuss about file related commands in Linux OS. So before going towards actual file related commands, we'll discuss about what is mean by file and what is mean by a directory. So a file is the common storage unit in a computer, and all programs and data are written into a file and read from a file. A folder holds one or more files, and a folder can be empty until you are going to store a file in it. A folder can also contain multiple folders in it as well as multiple files also. So this is the concept which is related to file and folder, or folder is also called as a directory. So we will discuss how we can create a file and directory. So see here, these are the some file related commands in Linux OS. We will discuss first and then we will see all these commands practically. So first command is touch command. See here one thing, all the commands are written in small case because Linux operating system is a case sensitive operating system. So if you are going to execute all these commands in capital letter or caps, then commands will not execute. I will show this practically also. So keep in mind that while executing or while writing the commands in Linux OS, that command should be in lowercase. Okay. So now touch command. This command is used to create a empty file. If you want to create empty file, then you can use touch command. Now the next command is cat command. This command is used to create a file in which you are going to store the data. Means with the help of cat command, you are able to store some data in that file. But whereas in touch command, you are able to simply create empty file. You are unable to store data using touch command. Now next is cp command. This command is used to copy the contents of a file from one file to another file. Now next command is mv command. This command is used for two purposes. That is, first one is to move the file from one location to another location, or from one folder or directory to another folder or directory. And another use of mv command is to rename a file. Means if you want to change the name of file, then you can use the same mv command. Now the last command, that command is rm command. This command is used to remove a file. Means if you want to delete a file, then you can use rm command. So now we will see the cat command in detail. What is the syntax? What are different purposes to use the cat command? So cat command is used for three purposes. So now we will see this cat command is used to create a new file. This command is also used to display the contents of file. Means if you want to create a file, then also you have to use cat command. And if you want to display the contents in a file, then also you have to use the cat command. And one more, another use of cat command is to concatenate the contents of more than one file. If you are having multiple files and you want to concatenate or merge all these files, then also you can use the cat command. Now see here the syntax. This is the syntax to create a file. That is, this is the prompt, dollar prompt and hash prompt. Two prompts are there. That is, dollar prompt is used as a general user and hash prompt is as a root user. In Linux operating system, administrator is also called as a root user. So hash prompt is as a specifies as a root user. So in general, your general user, then cat greater than sign, and here name of the file which you want to give to that name. Name you have to specify. Then the next one is use, that is to display the contents of a file. Simply here you have to type cat and file name only. See here, what is difference these two between these two syntax? Here redirection operator is used that specifies by which name you want to create the file, and here you are not creating, just you are displaying the content. That's why you have to use cat and file name only. Now the next one is last use of cat command, that is to concatenate the contents of multiple files. Means if you are having multiple files here in this syntax cat file 1 and file 2, these are the two different files, and by using contents of file 1 and file 2 will be concatenated in file 3. So this is about the syntax of cat command. Now, there may be question in your mind that I don't have the Linux operating system in my laptop, then how I can execute or how I can practice all these commands. So one more solution is there. Might be you know that or may not be. So I'm going to show that or give the solution to your problem, that you can use the online Linux terminal also, or if you are having Android mobile, then you can use the Termux app on your mobile and you can practice. And if you are having laptop, PC and internet connection is there, then you can use the method which I am going to show you. So for that, you have to click on Google. Here simply you have to type JS Linux, enter. After clicking JS Linux, this screen will be shown to you. Then click on first link, that is https://billard.org or JS Linux Fabrice Billard. When you click on this, you will get this screen. Now, as per your system configuration, you can choose here build root Linux console. This option, click here. It will take some time. Now see here, this screen will be shown to you. Now here is the place or environment, we can say we can practice all the Linux commands. See here, as we have discussed about the prompt, that is dollar prompt and hash prompt. This is the online terminal. That's why here hash prompt is given. This prompt is root user prompt. So now we will discuss all the commands, file related commands. So first we will see touch command, touch, and here you have to specify the name of file which you want to create. For example, demo1. Here any error is not shown, directly prompt is given. It means that there is no any error and your file is created. So how we can verify that whether file is created or not? So for that one command is there, ls, that is list, minus l means long information. See here, the demo1 command file is shown here. This is the demo1 file. What is this RW and dash and R dash dash? That we'll discuss in next video. These are the permissions. See here date is shown, at what time you have created the file, and date and size also. The size is 0 because we have not stored any content in that file, because we have created this file by using the touch command. Okay, so now we will create the file by using the cat command. Cat greater than sign, that is redirection operator, demo2. This is the another file related command, that is cat command, demo2. So here you can type, this is the demo for creation of cat or creation of file using cat command. Now use the control key combination for storing that file or stopping that file. Now again we can verify, that is ls minus l demo 2 is also there. This is the demo 1 and this is the demo 2. Same somewhat time difference is there, and here size is this one that we have created just now. So again we will create another file for just before that we will see the content. So how we can see the content of a file which we have already created? So for that, simply you have to write the cat command and then name of the file, that is demo2, which we have created. See here, in this way you are able to create, you are able to display the contents of a file. So these two purposes we have seen. That is, first one is cat command is used to create a file like this, and cat command is also used to display the contents of file like this. Now for the third purpose, we'll create one more file, that is cat demo3. This is another command from Linux OS. So we'll stop here. These two files we have created. Now we will add or concatenate these contents into third file. So for that, cat demo 2 space demo 3. Now third file, all files. I want to concatenate the contents or add the contents of these two files in third file, that is all files. So directly prompt is shown here. There is no any error. It means that command executed successfully. So we'll verify ls minus l. So all files name file is created, and this is the details of file. So we'll see whether that data is there or not. All files. See here. This is the data of demo 2 and this one is demo 3. See here, demo 3 data is same. This is the another demo of cat command from Linux OS. Same data is here. This is another demo of cat command from Linux OS. So this is about concatenation. But one more thing is there. Suppose your the target file, or what we can say, the demo all files, if having already data in there, then what we can do if you want to keep that data as it is? So for that, again we will create one file, cat demo 5, suppose 4. I will enter some different data. Computer is an electromechanical device. This is the simple sentence I have stored under demo 4. Now I want to add these contents in all files name. All file names file is there. In this file, I want to add these content by keeping the previous data as it is. So for that, cat demo 4, here simply you have to use the double redirection operator, means for appending the data of all files. Here is also no any error is shown, directly prompt is given. It means that your command is successfully executed. So we'll verify cat what? All files. See here the contents of demo 4, that is computer is an electromechanical device. This file is content of this file is added in all files by keeping previous data as it is. Okay. And in somewhat case, if you want to add only new contents, means only this sentence, and don't want these previous data, in that case, you have to do what? Simply here you have to use only single greater than sign. See here now. Again, we will see the contents, cat, all files. Now, what happens? Previous data is overwritten and only the contents of demo 4 will be there because we have used single redirection operator. So this is about the cat command. We have created the file by using touch command, that is empty file, and we have created the file by using cat command. So we will see another command, that is cp command. Cp command is used to create a copy of a file. For example, all files. Now I want to create a copy of this file. So I want to give the name as my copy. So again, same way here, no any error is there, means your cp command is executed successfully. So we will see the contents of my file, my copy. See here, same data is there as like all files. Again, we will see cat all files. Both files are there. Cat all files, it will display the contents of all files, and same copy is there, my copy. So this is about the cp command, which is used to create the copy of a file. Now the next command is mv command. Mv command is used to rename the file. Means if you want to change the name of file, then you can use the mv command. As well as mv command is used to move the file from one location to another location. So we will see one by one. So first we will rename the file. For example, mv. Now I want to change the name of all files as rsml. What I want to do? I want to change the name of all files as rsml. So this is your source file and this one is your destination file, means target file, or whose name you want to change, that is the source file. As an input, you are going to give the name as to the mv command. Same way again, command is executed successfully. So now again I will execute cat all files. What happens here? No such a file or directory. Why? Because we have changed the name of that file. So now we will execute as rsml. What happens? See here, the name of file is changed from all files to rsml. So the same contents are there, which contents was under all files. So this is about the mv command, first purpose, renaming a file. Now we will move this file to another location. So for that purpose, first we have to create a directory. So for creating directory, mkdir command is used, and here you have to give the name of directory. For example, BCA. This directory is created. Okay. So cd BCA. Now see the prompt is there. Prompt is changed from localhost to BCA, means right now you are in BCA directory. So we will verify whether any data is there. There is nothing is there. So again, I will back. Now I will move the file RSML from localhost to BCA. Same way, there is no any error. So here I will verify whether that file is moved or not. RSML, no such file, because that file is moved from localhost to BCA directory. So we'll switch to the BCA. Now here again we'll see here RSML file is there. We'll see the contents. Same contents are here also. That is, computer is an electromechanical device. Okay. So in this way, we can move a file from one place to another place. So just I will clear the screen. For clearing screen, clear screen command is used here. Now, one last command is remaining. That command is rm command. That command is used to remove the file. So, I will show you practically. So, for that rm, for example, demo1, this command I want to remove or delete. The command is executed successfully. Again, we will verify. See here, demo1, which was at the first, but right now demo1 is not there. So with the help of rm command, we can use two options. That is, first one is -I. That is, option is used for interactive purpose. Means it will ask you before deleting whether you want to delete that file or not. So again, we'll see practically. For example, rm -I, suppose demo2. Remove demo2, it is asking to you. So if I'm saying no, then it will not remove. So see here, demo2 is not removed. So again, same command, I will give yes. Now see here, demo2 is not there because demo2 is removed as per we have said while interaction, yes. Now the next option is -R. That option is used to remove the directory with its content. See here in blue color, this is the directory. So for deleting a directory, rmdir command is there, but with the help of command rm, which is used to remove a file, we can use that option to remove the directory with its content. So practically we will see rs -R, rm -R, bca. See here, again, there is no any error. Prompt is given. It means that your command executed successfully. So we'll again verify. See here, directory is removed. So in this way, we can perform the practice of all Linux commands practically. So I hope all the contents are, all the concepts are clear. Thank you.